Out doing an install today on a home that has a new roof, putting some new gutters on, and just want to show you something real quick here. Even with a new roof, you still run the possibility of getting ice and water build up behind the gutter. You can see it here. Okay, I'm going to take you up top and show you what's going on. If you look at this valley, when they did the roof, this valley was cut back further than the edge of the roof. Okay, you can see it right there, and you can see the water coming down the valley and following the drip edge down. We installed the piece of drip edge, or drip strip right here. You can see it. And you can see it directing the water right into the gutter. So even with a new install, a new roof, depending on how the roof was installed, you can still have this problem.